The Fluidmaster Everything Toilet Tank Repair Kit comes with everything you need to update or repair a toilet with a 2-inch flush valve. The flush valve has an adjustable overflow tube. It also has an adjustable flapper, and you can set this to stay open longer for a more powerful flush or have it close faster to conserve water. It has a fill valve that's adjustable. You can change the height and you can adjust the amount of water in the tank. It also has a valve so you can adjust the amount of water that's going into the bowl, which is important for high efficiency toilets. The handle can be bent to fit the shape of your tank. It can also be trimmed to the size you need. And it has a unique gasket between the tank and the bowl. You can use the red and the black gasket together and tear off these plugs for the Gerber toilets. You can use the black gasket alone for the Kohler toilets with 3 bolts, and the red gasket will work with most toilets with a 2-inch flush valve. You have tools to remove all your old parts and install the new parts. It comes with 3 bolts, nuts, and washers.